installation speakers from Sonus faber. This is I think for the selling speaker. PC664P they call it. This is another speaker here. In-wall custom installation speaker, but it's from Sonus faber, guys. First time Sonus faber presents something like this. This is the PC662 model. Has the same tweeter as the big guys. And this is another PW662 with a cabinet on the back. Other speakers are as well for Sonus faber. This is not covered on the back, as you can see. It has no cover on the back. So Sonus faber likes to enter to the CI world with this kind of speakers. Probably they are not that inexpensive. Probably they are costing a lot of money compared to the others. But anyway, so they are Sonus faber. So on the back it says Palladio. This is with the cabinet. And this one as well. And here we can see the electronics. You see custom installation speakers from Sonus faber. Easy to install. They are passive. They have a crossover built-in. And in front we can see it's like a speaker, this one, like a small speaker, and on the back is the woofer. In front we have mid-range and the tweeter. The same applies to Palladio PC582. It's bigger, guys. It's a bigger one. So you have to open a hole your wall in order to install this speaker. Again, here we see the woofer on the back and this tweeter in front.